Here's a safe and reliable method to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone without tricks or risk. Welcome to How to Mastery, your trusted place for real and safe tech solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely delete WhatsApp messages for everyone using only official WhatsApp features with no hacks or tricks. Let's begin. WhatsApp allows you to delete a message for everyone within about 1 hour and 8 minutes after sending it. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you sent the message. Step 2. Tap and hold the message you want to delete. Step 3. Tap the trash icon at the top and then choose Delete for Everyone. That's it. The message will be removed from both your chat and the receiver's chat. Important notes. The Delete for Everyone option only works within 1 hour and 8 minutes after sending. Both you and the recipient must be using the latest version of WhatsApp. If the other person has already seen the message, deleting it won't undo that. Be careful with third-party apps or tricks that change time or use unofficial tools. They can damage your phone or violate WhatsApp's policies. For now, this is the only safe and official method supported by WhatsApp. If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe to How to Mastery for more safe and honest tutorials. Thanks for watching.